Good afternoon, friends. Meteorologist Delaney Willis here with an update on the current winter weather. You'll notice on this snow and ice map, majority of the significant accumulations has really stayed in the mountains of West Virginia. And our current radar imagery is echoing the exact same sentiment. Right now, if we turn on the national radar view, things look a little bit different, but still we have a couple of very isolated pockets of snowfall right now in parts of the NRV, Roanoke zone as well, south side seeing snow showers exiting the area, but the bulk of the really heavy bands of snowfall, you'll notice I-95 corridor is experiencing that right now, but it is pretty much out of our hair for the evening. Now, I will say western slopes will see a few snow showers as we head the next couple of hours to still hang on to that chance for snow. But the rest of us, we're going to continue to dry things out, barring a few very isolated instances of snowfall. So checking in on our road temperatures, we're still looking pretty good into at least mid-30s, 40s, even 50s for some spots. And we're going to, at least over the next couple of hours until sunset, of course, we'll see these pretty mild road temperatures, which is fantastic news because we have not seen significant travel impacts because of all of this, and our road conditions echoing the exact same sentiment. Look at all of that. We have a lot of green going on right now. So still that's signifying just wet roadways. Nothing really icy, snowy, messy, horrid until you get to I-95 corridor. Seeing a pretty similar pattern here. There is the potential for snowfall and ice in those regions, but in our viewing area, we're looking to stay very, very clear. Now, right now, in terms of accumulation, what we have already seen, at least for the past 24 hours or so, some spots receiving about an inch into the NRV. Let's actually go ahead and see what these actual values are verbatim. As you head into Montgomery County, Pulaski area, about an inch and a half. Same story for Roanoke. Now you'll notice getting into a little bit more, Giles about 2 inches of that when you get into more so into the Highland zone, receiving similar totals, about an inch, 2 inches of snowfall. Now, for the higher amounts, to see those, you'll notice Richmond region, 2 inches, nearly 2 inches, inch and a half. Petersburg, about 2 inches. So that's really the biggest part of this story. South and east got a lot more of this snowfall than what we have been seeing, and we're going to, over the next couple of hours, we will still see the opportunity for a few snow showers as we head overnight, but at least the bulk of the precip is out of our hair. Let's go ahead and go through this future cast graphic right here. We will have this surface trough passing through tonight, the snowfall ending for most of us overnight by about 8 to 9 o'clock. We'll see the Highland zone petering off with that snowfall. But tomorrow morning, we have another band, this projection of snow showers moving through right here about 6 to 10 a.m.-ish. This is more so that upslope snow shower, kind of clipper machine. That is going to move through pretty quickly. We'll not be seeing at least a significant impact on travel because of this system. So overnight tonight, we will still be seeing just the snow really wrapping up. But tomorrow, we have the opportunity, if there are any wet spots, they could see the refreeze because not only overnight are we going to be in the 20s, but tomorrow morning, not really getting out of those 20s and 30s zone by zone tomorrow. But again, we're going to wrap up this snow event within the next couple of hours and wrap up most of our precip.